be dissolved by groundwater circulating through them. Florida, for instance, is an area largely underlain by limestone and is highly susceptible to sinkholes. Sinkholes are dangerous because the land usually stays intact for a period of time until the underground space just gets too big. If there's not enough support for the land, a sudden collapse can occur. Megalodon tooth. The megalodon, which went extinct millions of years ago, was the largest shark ever to prowl the oceans and one of the largest fish on record. The scientific name literally means giant tooth, and for good reason. Its massive teeth are almost 3 times larger than the teeth of a modern great white shark. So, what are they doing in swamps? Millions of years ago, when T-Rex and Triceratops were roaming the earth, most of this part of the USA was covered by ocean. Back then, sharks patrolling the waters were just like the modern ones, just very, very big, but still losing thousands of teeth in their lifetime. Here, the teeth were covered with sand and fossilized over millions of years. The megalodon shark's fossilized bones and teeth give scientists major clues about what the creatures were like and when they died off. And you can find these ancient teeth in many Florida swamps along with other fossils too. Now, fast forward to today, you have creeks, rivers, and breaking waves eroding all the ancient sediments and topsoil, exposing what was deposited on the ancient ocean floor and plains millions of years ago. So yeah, you can find giant sharks' teeth. While the popular 2018 movie, The Meg, pits modern humans against an enormous megalodon shark, the beast died out before humans even evolved, but their teeth remain. Gharials. Once a widespread predator, this strange, skinny-jawed reptile is now restricted to a handful of Nepalese and northern Indian rivers and swamps. The gharial is in the crocodile order that's some strange features compared to its relatives. Its jaws are very long and very slender and packed with teeth. Though the animal looks fierce, especially when its mouth is open, it's not dangerous to humans unless it's threatened. The name gharial was inspired by a type of pot. When a male of these species gets to be around 10 years old, a bulbous knot will start to emerge just behind his nose, called a gara. It's descended from the Hindi word gara, which means pot, essentially. The animal is one of the largest crocodilians too. At around 11 to 14.5 feet long, females are much smaller than the males, which typically range from 16 to 19.5 feet. Some monstrous 21-foot male specimens have been documented. Such huge individuals can weigh a whopping 1,500 pounds, making them some of the heaviest reptiles on Earth. For millennia, they patrolled the rivers of Pakistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Bhutan. But over the past century, they've gone extinct in all 4 countries. Swamp rats. With its maze of swamps, bayous, and marshes,